Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix ad location not showing on TikTok problem. So if you guys are encountering with a problem like this, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys step by step how to fix this, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So guys, one of the quickest fixes that we could actually do in order for us to solve problems like this is to go ahead and remove the cache of the application. And on the iPhone, in order for us to accomplish that, we need to go ahead and tap on the settings, scroll down and tap on general, iPhone storage, scroll down once more until we find the TikTok application. And once we're here, let's tap on offload app to remove its cache, and then tap on reinstall app once more to reinstall the app, and that should be good to go. Once that is already accomplished, one more thing that we could also do to solve issues like this is to make sure that we have the stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi. So go ahead and double check your connection with your Wi-Fi. You could also go ahead and check your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. And the last thing that we could actually do in order for us to solve issues like this is to go ahead and make sure that we have the latest version of the TikTok, so that of course we could have the latest updates installed onto our application. Bugs and small, well, unnecessary issues like this will be fixed, and we are going to have the best user experience possible. Now that is all for this video, guys. Please update your applications if you see this update like this, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.